Very happy International Women's Day to all of us. On behalf of Epic Hospital, I welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Lavina Sinha, DCP Zone, Ahmedabad City, Mrs. Chan Chajar, President Jain Shwetambar Terapanthi Mahila Mandal, and Vice President Mrs. Anita Kothari. Guest speakers, Dr. Anupama Ramkumar, Dr. Chaitsi Shah, and Mrs. Anila Shethia. Esteemed members of Jain Shwetambar Terapanthi Mahila Mandal and my dear colleagues. It is really an honor to have with us such an accomplished guest and equally enthusiastic and active audience. Before we start our Women's Day celebration, I would like to give brief introduction of Epic Hospital. Epic Hospital is 148-bedded multi-super speciality hospital situated on SG Highway near Kargil petrol pump. It is conceived, built and run by group of eminent doctors of Ahmedabad city. Though Epic Hospital is 3 years old, but doctors working here have experience of more than 2 decades and have performed thousands of surgeries and procedures. We call Epic Hospital a boutique hospital and not an corporate hospital. Reason being, Epic has all ultra-modern, state-of-the-art infrastructure and round-the-clock working medical and paramedical staff. But at the same time, we are not commercial like corporates. Patient care with compassion and transparency is our vision and mission. On this beautiful day, I wish all of you a very healthy life. But if ever you or your family or friends need medical advice, please do visit Epic Hospital and experience our care. As we all know, today we have got together to celebrate womanhood. Globally, International Women's Day is celebrated to acknowledge and recognize the contribution of women socially, politically, economically and culturally. The theme of IWD 2023 is DG All, Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality. And we cannot have better example of this than who are sitting in front of us. I take the opportunity to welcome Dr. Lavina Sinha. She will be here anytime. She is physician by qualification and IPS officer who currently holds the position of DCP Zone 1, Ahmedabad City. Dr. Lavina is a fitness enthusiast and has a great love for food. She always propagates that be the healing touch what you think world deserves. Dr. Lavina with a voice, has a voice, woman with a voice, by definition is considered as a strong woman. But the search to find this voice cannot be easy. And Dr. Lavina's journey till far would not have been very easy, but I am sure it will be inspiration to all of us. Our other guest speaker, Dr. Anupama, is my batchmate and qualified physician and entrepreneur and running her 16 years old company in area of clinical research. A well-traveled person with varied interest, and her motto in life is, you get this life only once, so don't forget to live it. Dr. Chaitsi is a very young, dynamic obstetrician and gynecologist and a mother of beautiful daughter. Mrs. Anila Shethia is a life coach and fitness enthusiast. So I am sure we all are going to enjoy this interactive session and have a most memorable day. Thank you very much.